Hi guys, Rafe Corley and Robert Demas here with Mission Ridge Ranging Academy. Today we have another 2-Minute Tuesday talking about med kits, something very important for all of us to remember when we're out hunting or we're in the range. Robert, give us an example. What are these kits? What's the difference between this one and that one there?
So this is a large range bag kit or even a hunting kit that you can put in your backpack. These smaller ones right here by Ace Tac Gear are IFAKs, which is an individual first aid kit, great for attaching to your war belt, your gun belt, even your hunting belt.
Fantastic. So is there, a basis of what we need to have in our bags?
I would say the minimal amount of equipment in your IFAK would be a tourniquet, a riding utensil, 2 chest seals, some type of pressure bandage, and maybe some Z-fold gauze for packing a wound.
They seem pretty complex. Now there's a lot of stuff that goes into it, but is there a lot of training that's necessary to understand everything in here, or is it something where you can get this and be pretty ready to rock and roll?
Most IFAKs or trauma kits do come with a training guide. I would highly recommend getting training by a professional to know when to apply a tourniquet, how to apply a tourniquet, when you should pack a wound or apply a tourniquet, and applying chest seals is very important to have training and knowledge on as well.
Yeah, so need training. It seems like there's kits like these that are just fully decked out with everything you need. So you kind of check that box of having it, but then definitely the education of what to do with it, right?
That's correct.
With these two, I noticed there's some, pull aparts and all kinds of, what is that all about?
So pull tabs are great on IFAKs and big med kits. This one that we carry by Ace Tac Gear has a nice rip or grip and rip panel. You can just pull this whole thing out. It has everything on it that you're gonna need: gloves, riding utensil, chest seals, duct tape, because you never know when you need it. It also has a tourniquet on the exterior, which is great.
Yeah, so it seems like all these packs definitely have the basics, and then depending on your need, there's more that you can get. That sounds about right. Well, that's excellent, Rob. Thank you so much for showing us these med kits. Guys, don't forget to get a med kit onto your pack, put it on your belt, have it out when you're hunting. It really is the thing that's gonna save your life, give EMS time to get to you. And this is just really something important for all of us to remember to have in our gear. Guys, thank you very much. This was once again Rob and Rafe from Mission Ridge Ranging Academy. Don't forget to subscribe below. Check us out at missionridgerange.com. Y'all have a great day.